Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the Maypen to Mandeville Highway. Now where we're driving by on the right is where they're building a new Maypen exit from the highway. So if you're coming in the direction from Mandeville to Maypen, this is where you'll exit on this side of the road. If you're coming from Kingston to Maypen, there's already an exit as you go through the toll plaza on the left. But there was no exit. There's an entrance you can get on the highway from Maypen, but there was no exit if you're coming on this side of the highway because we're on the other side of the roundabout now. So we're actually going up to the roundabout and we're going to look at the construction going on the Rio Mino Bridge side of the highway. So if we turn left here, we'd actually go into Maypen, but we're going up to the Rio Mino Bridge. So that's the highway on the right. Alright, so this roundabout we're going to come up to now, it's going to be removed when the highway is built. So if we're on, this is the old road, the Bustamante Highway or the Maypen bypass, it will just continue straight. There will be no roundabout because you won't be getting on the highway from here. Okay, so this is a roundabout now, so we would just continue straight and stay on the Bustamante Highway. So where those cars are going left, you just continue straight, you know, like where that red car is going. That car just went, that's the direction you're going to go now. So this roundabout was temporary just to facilitate the ending of the highway. But the highway is going to go straight across when the roundabout comes out and continue straight here. So this is the construction going on by the Rio Mino Bridge now. So remember, it's going to be one straight highway. There won't be any exit or entrance here. So the highway, when they remove the roundabout, will just come straight across and continue here. So they're paving this section of the road now. And if you've been following the channel, you'll know that all of this that you're seeing here has been dumped up so that it's at the same level as the existing roadway. So on the left now, they've started to pave it. So this highway is scheduled to finish in August of this year. It's actually 93% complete and they expect everything to be finished by August of this year. So this basically is where the highway starts and continues all the way to Williamsfield. And when finished, you'll get from Maypen to Mandeville in 15 minutes, which is definitely a game changer because it takes about 45 minutes now on the old road if there's no traffic or accident. Okay, so they've actually closed off the bridge to the public, but they have indicated that they will open up the highway over the summer. The official completion date is August 2023, but I'm hoping they'll open up the highway before that. Now this is a very steep drop because remember you can look across and you can see how high up we are, and they need to put in these railings, the concrete barricade they're putting on the left because an accident can easily happen by mistake. Or I should say a car could probably go over the edge not knowing that it's a cliff over there. Alright, so they're paving this section of the road now. And we'll keep you updated on this project. We'll make videos every 2 weeks. So remember to like, share, and subscribe. And between now and the end of August, we're in the first week of June, July, August, 12 weeks, 11 weeks. We'll make videos every 2 weeks, and as we get closer to August, we will make videos every week so that you can keep up to date as to what's going on with the project. And we can see firsthand if they will make the August 2023 deadline. Alright, so as you can see, this section of the road is directly in line with the existing highway. So it's going to be one continuous road. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and to turn on the notification bell. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video as we drive into Maypen. Alright guys, have a good day.